In the cold, silent expanse of interstellar space, where the darkness stretches on forever and the stars are scattered like distant memories, a lone voice cries out, reaching across unimaginable distances, hoping to be heard. This voice belongs to Voyager 1, our species' most distant explorer, a tiny messenger carrying the dreams and curiosity of humanity far beyond the cradle of Earth. In October 2024, a sudden chilling silence fell upon the Deep Space Network, the vast system that listens for whispers from the edge of our solar system. The data stream, our fragile lifeline to the cosmos, abruptly ceased, leaving only questions and a haunting quiet. For weeks, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory held its breath, fearing the inevitable, wondering if this was the end of an era. This wasn't just the loss of a machine, it was the severing of a tie to our own audacity, a connection to the boldness that sent a fragile craft into the unknown. The silence was a stark premonition, a final message confirming our technological fragility, and a reminder that even our greatest achievements are not immune to the passage of time. Voyager's plutonium power source is decaying, its ability to shout across the cosmic ocean weakening each year, its energy fading as the years slip by. A routine command to activate a heater pushed the aging power system beyond its limits, triggering a switch to a backup transmitter unused for decades. A desperate attempt to keep the connection alive. This event silenced its scientific instruments, cutting off the flow of data from beyond our solar system's protective bubble, and leaving us blind to the mysteries that Voyager once revealed. The struggle to hear Voyager's last whispers is a testament to our persistence, our refusal to let go of this tiny, magnificent explorer, and our hope that we might still learn something new from its journey. It's a story about listening intently to the fading echo of our own past, hoping for one last piece of wisdom before it's swallowed by the eternal silence of space, a silence that waits for all things. The incident confirmed a dark truth: our greatest ambassadors to the stars will one day fall silent, their voices lost to the void. All that will remain is their legacy, drifting in the void, a silent testament to our longing to reach out, to explore, and to be remembered among the stars. To truly grasp the magnitude of Voyager 1's journey, imagine the vastness of space it has traversed and the unimaginable distance it has covered since leaving Earth. As of September 2025, Voyager 1 is more than 15 billion miles from our planet, a distance so immense that it defies ordinary comprehension. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes over 23 hours to travel from Voyager back to us, crossing the silent gulf of interstellar space. This makes Voyager 1 the most remote object ever created by human hands, a solitary sentinel drifting in the endless space between the stars, far beyond the reach of any other spacecraft. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the sun's influence ends, and entered the true realm of interstellar space. Voyager is our hands, eyes, and ears in this unexplored frontier, tasting the strange particles and listening to the faint whispers of plasma waves that fill the void. Launched in 1977, its original mission was to explore the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn, but a series of gravity assists propelled it on a path out of the solar system, turning it into an interstellar explorer. Voyager carries the golden record, a carefully crafted message in a bottle, filled with sounds and images from Earth, intended for any intelligent life that might one day discover it drifting among the stars. The faint signal we receive from Voyager is billions of times weaker than the power of a watch battery, yet it is still detected by Earth's largest and most sensitive radio telescopes. That we can still communicate with this distant machine, across such staggering distances, is a marvel of human engineering, and a testament to our relentless curiosity and desire to remain connected with the universe beyond our home. Voyager's journey began in 1977, taking advantage of a rare planetary alignment. Its original 4-year mission to Jupiter and Saturn became a decades-long odyssey, revealing the outer solar system in unprecedented detail. Voyager 1 discovered Jupiter's volcanic moon Io and Saturn's intricate rings, then was sent on a trajectory toward interstellar space. Its computers have less power than a car key fob, yet they've guided it for nearly half a century. Generations of engineers have kept it alive, rewriting software and repurposing systems. The mission is a bridge across time, connecting the optimism of the 1970s with today's discoveries. Voyager's story is our first step into the galactic neighborhood. Voyager's heart is its nuclear battery, its RTGs, which have powered it since 1977. Each year the power output drops, forcing NASA to make tough choices about which systems to keep alive. Non-essential heaters and instruments have been shut down. Only 4 of the original 10 instruments remain active. In 2025, the cosmic ray subsystem was switched off, a somber moment, as the spacecraft slowly goes blind and deaf. The power margin is now razor-thin. Any unexpected event could trigger failure. The cold of interstellar space is a constant threat, and without power for heaters, critical components could freeze. Voyager's final years are a lesson in humility, a reminder that even our most enduring creations will eventually return to silence. We built a machine to last for decades, but the universe operates on timescales of eons. The slow fade is a quiet acknowledgement of our limits. From 2023 to 2025, Voyager faced a series of crises that pushed it and its operators to the brink. In late 2023, Voyager 1 began sending gibberish, traced to a faulty memory chip. Engineers devised a software workaround, splitting code around the corrupted section, and restored data by March 2024. Then, in October 2024, a routine command to turn on a heater overloaded the power system. The probe's fault protection switched to a weaker transmitter, silencing science data. For a month, the team strained to detect even a faint carrier signal. In November, they successfully switched back to the primary transmitter, restoring communications. Each crisis is a stark reminder of how close to the edge the mission now operates. Every fix is a triumph of ingenuity and persistence, but the margin for error grows ever thinner. Voyager is now operated by a ghost, its own aging design, kept alive by engineers communicating with the past. Each command sent is a message to a spacecraft built in another era, a relic that still listens from billions of miles away. The team acts as technological archaeologists, digging through old schematics and consulting retired experts. They must decipher handwritten notes and faded diagrams, piecing together the intentions of Voyager's original creators. During the 2024 transmitter crisis, they relied on decades-old documents to operate a transmitter unused for 43 years. The challenge was immense. No one alive had ever used it before, and the instructions were buried in archives. The hardware's quirks and the extreme cold constantly surprised them. Components behave unpredictably after decades in the void, forcing the team to adapt and improvise. In 2024, they fired up backup thrusters dormant for 37 years, and they worked perfectly. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to both the original engineering and the ingenuity of today's team. Creative hacking is now standard. Every command is a step into the unknown. The team must invent new procedures, often with no precedent, to keep Voyager alive. The engineers are not just operators but innovators, finding new ways to use the spacecraft's dwindling resources. They stretch every watt of power, every byte of memory to extend the mission's life. This ongoing struggle highlights the human element at the heart of robotic exploration. Behind every signal is a story of persistence, creativity, and teamwork. The passing of Dr. Ed Stone in 2024 marked the end of an era, but a new generation carries the torch. Their dedication ensures Voyager's journey continues, even as its creators fade into history. They are the keepers of the flame, tending to the ghost in the machine as it sails deeper into the cosmic night. Each day, they write a new chapter in Voyager's extraordinary story. Voyager's longevity is a testament to both the hardware and the people behind it. The mission endures because of their passion and ingenuity. The mission is a dialogue across time and space, a conversation between generations, and a symbol of humanity's enduring curiosity. Communicating with Voyager is an exercise in cosmic patience. Its signal, as faint as a whisper from across a continent, is captured by the Deep Space Network's giant radio antennas. Commands take over 23 hours to reach Voyager. Responses take just as long to return. There's no real-time control. Every action is planned based on yesterday's data. The engineers are communicating with a past version of Voyager, making decisions today that will only have an effect tomorrow. If the Earth-Sun distance were an inch, Voyager would be over 13 feet away. Our entire solar system would fit within about 2.5 feet. Voyager is sailing in an ocean of emptiness, our planetary system a tiny island left far behind. Every bit of data is a precious gift, a hard-won dispatch from the interstellar frontier. Our ability to answer the void is a battle we are slowly losing to the sheer scale of the universe. Voyager's legacy is etched in science and in our collective consciousness. Its cameras transformed the outer planets from fuzzy points into dynamic worlds. In 1990, Voyager 1 turned back and captured the pale blue dot, Earth as a tiny speck in a sunbeam. This image is a humbling reminder of our planet's fragility and isolation. Today, Voyager probes provide the first direct measurements of interstellar space, sampling material from ancient supernova and mapping the galaxy's magnetic field. The Voyagers are our scouts, charting the unknown and providing ground truth for our models. They are more than machines, they are cultural artifacts, carrying our music and images into the galaxy. Their journey is a testament to human aspiration and the desire to know our place in the universe. As Voyager's signal fades, we confront a profound question: are we alone, or merely adrift? The mission's crises and approaching silence underscore our isolation in the vast cosmos. Voyager's journey is a microcosm of the human condition, driven by curiosity but limited by distance and time. The probe will travel for millennia, its voice long gone, a ghost ship in the dark. Its slow death is a meditation on our own limitations and the silence that greets our search for other life. Yet this realization deepens our appreciation for our own existence. Voyager's fading signal doesn't negate our optimism, it reminds us of the preciousness of our pale blue dot. Its final legacy may be this: our greatest journey is to understand the significance of being ourselves, a brilliant flash of consciousness adrift in the magnificent dark. The story of Voyager is a story of hope, humility, and the enduring human spirit.